The term organization unfolds a narrative that traverses the structured landscapes of human endeavors, where individuals unite with a common purpose, formalizing relationships, roles, and responsibilities to achieve collective goals. It is a story woven through the complexities of social structures, be they corporate entities, governmental bodies, non-profit organizations, or informal groups. The narrative of organization explores the dynamics of coordination, collaboration, and the pursuit of shared objectives. Imagine the early stages of human societies, where informal gatherings and kinship ties laid the groundwork for rudimentary forms of organization. This marks the dawn of communal living, where individuals pool their skills, resources, and efforts to address basic needs and mutual protection. The narrative includes the emergence of informal leadership roles, tribal structures, and the foundations of collective decision-making. As the narrative progresses, the story enters the realms of governance and institutions. From ancient civilizations to modern nation-states, organization becomes a cornerstone of societal order. The narrative explores the establishment of formal structures, laws, and administrative systems designed to regulate and facilitate the functioning of increasingly complex societies. The concept of organization extends to governmental bodies, where hierarchies, bureaucracies, and legal frameworks shape the interactions between citizens and their leaders. In the corporate world, the narrative of organization unfolds in boardrooms, offices, and factories. Companies, large and small, structure themselves to optimize productivity, efficiency, and innovation. The story explores organizational charts, divisions of labor, and management hierarchies as companies navigate the challenges of competition, market dynamics, and technological advancements. The narrative reflects the evolution from traditional hierarchical models to more agile and collaborative organizational structures in response to the demands of the contemporary business landscape. The narrative of organization extends to nonprofit entities, where shared missions and altruistic goals bring individuals together. The story explores the establishment of NGOs, community groups, and charitable organizations, highlighting the power of collective action in addressing social issues, humanitarian concerns, and environmental challenges. In the digital age, the narrative takes a new turn as virtual communities and online platforms redefine the concept of organization. Social media, collaborative tools, and remote work arrangements become integral to the story, transforming how individuals connect, collaborate, and organize across geographical boundaries. The narrative also includes informal and grassroots movements, where like-minded individuals mobilize around shared values and causes. From civil rights movements to environmental activism, the story reflects the potency of decentralized, bottom-up organization in fostering social change. Yet, the narrative of organization is not without its challenges. The story explores issues of hierarchy, power dynamics, and organizational culture. It delves into the complexities of diversity and inclusion, as organizations strive to create environments that respect and value the unique contributions of each member. Ultimately, the term organization encapsulates a narrative that mirrors the intricate tapestry of human collaboration. It is a tale of structure and flexibility, of order and adaptation, as individuals come together to navigate the complexities of human existence. Whether in the boardroom, the community center, or the virtual realm, the narrative of organization reflects the enduring human capacity to organize, innovate, and collectively shape the course of societies and endeavors.